Welcome back to the 335 rebuild. In the last episode, we replaced the quarter panel, and today we're smoothing everything out, fixing the dents, and getting this car looking like it was never wrecked. So, sit back and enjoy the video. So it's been a while, now the bond all dried up. I'm gonna tape out all the windows so we don't get too much dust inside. So let's get to taping. Alright, so we got most of the stuff sanded off. All of this is now perfect, and we sanded off bigger areas so we can lay some primer. So now let's go ahead and wrap the whole car and prepare to lay some primer. Alright, now all the primer dried up, and we can start sanding it with a 600. I also noticed I have a dent right here. It's a small dent, we're gonna also fill it. So let's grab a 600 DA and start sanding all the primer to make it smooth. These panels look almost perfect. All the dents to be fixed. So let's get to sanding. Alright, so we're gonna sand everything off again. Fully the quarter panel and the door. We got a few scratches on the fender right here. We're also gonna sand out and primer that section. And also this small dent we had on the corner. I got it out, and now we're gonna put some Bond and also spray some primer on top of it.